Okay, the power carving unit comes with the metal guard fitted. You probably want to remove that if you want to use these two fittings here. You have the levelling guide, which is basically for levelling flat surfaces. You can use that with the sanding disc that it comes with, but of course with this tool you can also use the turbo plane. With the turbo plane it's a rapid planer and you can use it to quickly level things off, and then you can put the sanding discs in and then you can smooth them off. Very good for flat surfaces. Now I'm just going to show you how to use the levelling guide. To begin with, turn the knob to the negative position so that the blade is not in contact with the wood if you lay it flat on the wood. I turn the knob to the positive direction while the motor is running until I can hear the blade touching the wood. Now, as you move it around, you'll find that it takes the high spots off first. When using the sanding pad, remove all of the backing nuts. With the sanding, it's best to slow the grinder down so that it doesn't burn the wood. Turn this to the off position, not doing anything. With this, you can do this without running it. For 3D shaping, you would use the chip catcher. And if you have the turbo plane fitted and the impeller behind it, this will drive the shavings down this funnel and down the chip, the dust tube, we call this. And you can simply put that into a bucket, or you can still connect it to a vacuum cleaner. If you're using the sanding discs with this, then you need to have the vacuum cleaner fitted. When fitting the turbo plane, the important thing to know is that the cutter should be halfway between the two fan blades. It's not necessary to have the plastic impeller fitted if you're going to use a vacuum cleaner. However, with it fitted, you can let the shavings simply fall into a bucket. The chip catcher follows exactly the profile of the blade. I can do the sweeping cuts, I can hollow out bowls and things exactly as I can with a normal angle grinder. I can do all of my sweeping cuts, planing, I can do using templates, etc. I like to use a coarse grit for fine shaping after using the turbo plane. With the vacuum cleaner fitted, power carving unit can be used for sanding with considerably less dust.